Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Cofactors and coenzymes. As we already learned that these are the non-protein part. They attach with the apoenzymes to facilitate the activity of the enzymes. Cofactors are the non-protein moieties. They are metalloids in nature, like zinc, copper, iron, etc. Coenzymes, certain enzymes, they require a specific thermostable, low molecular weight, non-protein organic substances called as coenzymes. Coenzymes may bind covalently or non-covalently to the apoenzyme. Many coenzymes are derived as a physiologically active forms from the constituents of vitamin B complex, like pantothenic acid coenzyme A, vitamin B12 cobalamin, folic acid active form tetrahydrofolate, niacin active form nicotine amide adenine dinucleotide and nicotine amide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, riboflavin active form flavin mononucleotide and flavin adenine dinucleotide, vitamin B6 pyridoxine active form pyridoxal phosphate, thiamine active form thiamine pyrophosphate, they all represented as coenzymes. We classify coenzymes according to the group whose transfers they facilitate. Based on these concepts, classify coenzymes for the transfer of groups other than hydrogen atoms. That includes coenzyme A, thiamine pyrophosphate, pyridoxal phosphate, tetrahydrofolate, folic acid, biotin, as well as cobalamin. Those for the transfer of hydrogen atoms. They includes nicotine amide adenine dinucleotide, nicotine amide adenine dinucleotide, phosphate, FMN flavin mononucleotide, FAD flavin adenine dinucleotide, as well as lipoic acid. In addition, heme act as a coenzyme in certain cytochromes, as well as in peroxidases and prostaglandin synthase complex. Many coenzymes contain adenine, ribose, and phosphate and are derivatives of adenosine monophosphate, such as nicotine amide adenine dinucleotide, as well as flavin adenine dinucleotide. Now, the role of metalloids in enzymes. The activity of many enzymes depends on the presence of certain metalloids such as potassium, magnesium, calcium, zinc, copper, etc. Metal activated enzymes. In certain enzymes, the metal forms a loose and easily dissociable complex. Such enzymes are called metal activated enzymes. In metal activated enzymes, the metalloids can be removed by dialysis or any other method from the enzymes without causing any denaturation of apoenzyme. It means the apoenzymes not be denatured during dissociation of metalloids from apoenzyme. Metalloenzymes. The second category of metal enzymes is called metalloenzymes. In this case, metalloids is bound tightly to the enzyme and is not dissociated even after several extensive steps of purification. Examples of some metalloenzymes includes copper containing enzymes like superoxide dismutase, cytochrome oxidase, tyrosinase, as well as lysyl oxidase. Calcium containing enzymes included lipase, lecithinase. Iron containing metalloenzymes includes catalase, xanthine oxidase, peroxidase, cytochrome oxidase, etc. As well as zinc containing metalloenzymes includes carbonic anhydrase, alcohol dehydrogenase, carboxypeptidase, alkaline phosphatase, and lactate dehydrogenase. Cofactors and coenzymes from Chatterjee, page number 122, 8th edition. Assignment. What do you mean by cofactor and coenzyme? Enumerate the role of metalloids in enzymes.